crypto, speed matters, but trust matters more. At Caleb & Brown, you're never on your own. We connect you with your own personal broker and a 24/7 team, ready to help you buy, sell, or swap over 250 digital assets with one flat, transparent fee. No spreads, no slippage, no hidden costs. Get the best market prices through deep, aggregated liquidity executed by our professional trading desk. Your funds are secured with institutional-grade cold storage for total peace of mind. Track every move in real time with our intuitive client portal, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're trading as an individual, trust, or business, we give you speed, security, and peace of mind. Thousands of clients in over 100 countries already trust Caleb & Brown. Visit calebandbrown.com and start your personalized crypto journey today.
What's up, guys? To another episode of Blockchain Brew Show. My banners are still not working, so disclaimer, not financial advice. We're not liable for any financial decisions. Thank you. Because I don't have my banners. I don't know where they're at, so I just have to say it, I guess. Welcome in, guys. Sorry if I'm running late. You know how it is when one kid decides to poop. They all decide to poop at the same time. But it's okay. We're here. We're kicking butt and taking names, and we're just going to go ahead and jump straight into it. I don't have a beer today. Just got myself a little seltzer water. You know, can't go wrong. It's peach flavored, and I happen to like seltzer water. It's also a good way to take a break from beer because I'm addicted to the carbonation. They also make a better ASMR pop, too. Guys, if you haven't already, smash that like button because we made it. Yeah, but not down, but up because we're here. Boom, 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 boom. If you haven't already, guys, we have this bell. You ring a ding ding, and you ring a ding ding. You'll find us located over there on YouTube. They make us ask. It's a great honor to have to do that. But over there on Kick and Rumble, we don't have to ask, and we just naturally grow. It's the best thing. Shout out to all the Rumble fam. They've been subbing up like a windstorm over there, dude. I can't even keep up with it. It's absolutely phenomenal. Take a sip, and we're going to jump into the news, and we'll lead into the charts. Ouch. That was good. I hope it doesn't give me the hiccups, though. Oh, I got to add it to the screen. Guys, I got the new mic today. It came. It finally came. I'm so excited. I amp up the sound quality. Kazakhstan launches Evo stablecoin with Solana and MasterCard. Where's the article that they usually have? It's like, here's what happened in crypto today. They just not have it? Interesting. Usually they have it. I don't know. Bitcoin's favor is 22 billion. BTC monthly options expired, but bears still lurk. Australia drafts new law to tighten oversight crypto exchanges. U.S. Senate Finance Committee to discuss crypto tax matters next week. Okay. Vitalik calls for open source infrastructure and help finance governments. CZ denies point linking YZI labs to external investors. Well, let's check out Kazakhstan, which I don't think they're super wealthy, but probably pretty well off. What's up, Daily? What's crack-a-lacking, man? No beer today. I'm out. Just drinking a little bit of seltzer water. And not a day to celebrate with my bourbon. The whole market is down in the dumps, man. I thought it'd be more powerful today, but we're gonna get into it in here shortly once we find my mouse. Kazakhstan launches Evo stablecoin with Solana and MasterCard. The new Solana-based Evo stablecoin pegged to Kazakhstan's national currency, the Tinge aims to bridge the crypto market with traditional finance. Kazakhstan's central bank launches a pilot project with a new stablecoin pegged to local fiat currencies in collaboration with Solana and MasterCard. The National Bank of Kazakhstan announces the launch of a stablecoin project within the framework of its digital assets regulatory sandbox. According to the statement shared with Cointelegraph on Tuesday, the new Evo Kazakhstan stablecoin is pegged to Kazakhstan tenge currency and is issued by sandbox participant Intubix Crypto Exchange and local tender Eurasian Bank with assistance from Solana and MasterCard. What the heck is that? Tangy stablecoin? Like, what currency is that? Does anybody know? What's $1 to one Tange? Where's the conversion? Where's Grok? I'm gonna look this up. Do we know what is the conversion of $1 to Tange? Okay, retry. Wow, that's wild. Any guesses? $1, one US dollar converts into 545 Tange Kazakhstani coins. That is impressively higher than I thought it was going to be. Wow. Look at that. How do I get back to where I was at? Issued by Sandbox Participant based on Solana stablecoin, Kazakhstan immediately is live within the central bank's regulatory sandbox. MasterCard is set to connect Kazakhstan Tange global stablecoin issuers Intubix founder Talget Dasanov told Cointelegraph. Well, I'm sorry to say it, but I don't think nobody's going to use your stablecoin, Mr. Tange, because most people are just going to use the dollar stablecoin. I mean, let's just be realistic, right? Jump into the bubbles. The bubbly. Ash is only up 11% from yesterday, which really, to me, it's really kind of breaking even. Let's be perfectly honest. Chrome was actually up like 5%, and that was down. Below 20 cents. Okay. Not bad. Flare was up because XRP decided to pump today. XRP and XLM 2.6%, versus XLM's 1.4%. They were at 35, went up to 38. Now we're at 37. XRP was at 280, went up to $3. Now it's at 290. So there you go. The top 100s right now. ATH versus Ether. I actually don't really know what this is. It's been out for a while though. What's up, Daily? How you doing, man? How you doing? How was your day? You still work? You work today out in, you said, in Colorado? What is this coin? Pop it up on Coin Market Cap. CNC. There's 186,000 holders. That's a pretty good amount of holders. 42 billion, 12.2 billion. Bybit, Coinbase. Most of the volume that's done on this is done Upbit, which I don't even know what Upbit is. A little bit on Bybit. One wallet holds 51%. Top 10 wallets hold 84%. That's kind of a lot. Aether is a revolutionary ID pin with an advanced distributed enterprise-grade GPU compute infrastructure tailored for AI and gaming. Aether aims to serve enterprise AI clients who need the world's most powerful AI chips, such as NVIDIA H100s, and support hundreds of thousands of cloud gaming players with best-in-class experience around the world. excuse me. All of this accomplished with decentralized architect bringing the GPU cloud to community to making computing accessible for all. So basically, it's just rendering power. They just lend out rendering power. Okay. Oh my goodness, the Taco Tuesdays got me, guys. Well, doing pretty good. We had top 100s. OG, which is like the branded coin we were looking at, it's been pretty much nothing but down. Dot fun, it's been nothing but down. We said that was going to keep going down too yesterday. We said we're targeting the 5 range to 4.9. I literally remember saying this. We said that yesterday was like 6.1. People thought we were crazy. Maybe crazy, maybe not. No, 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 no. Man, this something's up pumping. Like, look at the synthetics. Holy cow. Down 50% for the year. Actually did a little tiny little divot jump. Holy crap. Kita. Wow, the drop right there. Pulse down 15%. I don't even know what this is. It's not even old. It's a scam, probably. I don't know if it's actually a scam, but for not being that old, it's usually a problem. Wow, why is Pulse down 15%? Hex down 6.6%. Hey, there's AVNT. We were just talking about this yesterday. Right, Joe? You were saying that this is a basis competitor to Aster. I didn't do that bad. Get into the charts. 1 second. My darling wife came in. She was checking up on me, making sure that I had anything I needed. She's the best. What are we looking at? We're on BNB right now. Were we looking at BNB yesterday? Silver is at just below 44. Gold's at 37. EXY is at 97, 77, 77. It's about to go down though. EXY. The Dixie. All right, Bitcoin, let's take a look at you. You were supposed to be looking a lot better this morning. We were talking about you down here, Biddy. We were thinking that you stopped at a weird level, man. Biddy stopped at a weird level. We were thinking at least 114 to 115, 400 is what we put out. Money flow going down, strength kind of turning over. The Stokes RSI look fine. It really, honestly, I don't really know why it stopped. You are just slightly broke down. It didn't even quite get into the money flow. Red VWAP. Open doors to the downside currently on the 1 hour. Get that more pain. 4 hours still saying we could go up more. Or we pump 4 candles, have a fake out. So that was doing to us. Double green dot. That's good. Money flow ticked up a little bit. It's good. Single green dot. 6 hour doesn't look too bad. That's not a very good sign, though. We shoot up 50% to this wave, we come down 50% that wave. Come up, maybe not. Fake out. We got money flow coming in. VWAP, not super strong. Stokes RSI strength slightly coming up. Green dot, blue momentum wave. That Jesus take the wheel right here. Here played out really good. Boom, man. Long that dot. Gave it a week. Woof. That would have played out fine. Just dandy, man. Green dots usually tend to play out a lot stronger. It's pretty wild that it didn't. Trying to see what we got going on here. Well, it's It's respected that trend line really, really, really well. What's up, Ben? How you doing, man? I know, man. October's almost here, dude. It's freaking taking forever. I kind of wonder if we'll have a slightly slower October and have more of a better November, but that's just a hunch. There's no data backing that right now. That's just what something I've been thinking about. Because September's not over yet. I feel like we're gonna have a really good week, man. I really do. Or at least next week. I thought for sure this week was gonna be pretty good, but nope. Come on, Ben. Let's go take a look at Crow. Take a break from Bitcoin. You're the first person in here that I recognize. I always ask for Crow. You've been. I mean, how long have I been saying 20 cent Crow? Since the beginning, right? Since it peaked, I said, dude, it's coming back down to 20 cents. Remember? Finally came. Only took about 3 weeks. But it came. It finally came. We're pretty close to the bottom. We are close. We do have some more downward pressure on Crow right now. Can't see it really coming down to. I mean, it can come down, but like not holding like at 16 cents. Crow's just gonna do so good, man. I believe in it. Momentum wave is really, really, really about to flip. VWAP coming up. Strength Stokes have been resetting real good. Usually, what we see, what we were just talking about previously, is we shoot up, 50%, and then we come down, or shoot up 100%, then we come down 50%. Then we shoot up 100%, then we come down 50%. It kind of makes that flag out pattern. Excuse me. You know what I mean? When you get like flag pattern that kind of look like this, and you're like, what is it going to do? And then the chart, I don't like how this line's missing. It kind of does this weep, 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 snap. Let's go, Crow, let's go. Kinda got like a slight double bottom. Well, we are getting some bullish divergence, which that could be the first sign of saying that could be the bottom. I don't have any confirmation yet. Money flow still in the red. Stokes RSI low. I mean, it's right where we want them. Strength low. Dude, it was just a dogging day, dude. It was at this little bit of support, and we fall hard and pretty quick. Dude, I just feel like it's not going to go any lower because I feel like everybody's like over feared right now. Let's take a look at the data CoinGlass. Sorry, man, I'm kind of drained on my energy. You know it though. It always means you stick the best, man. You're just exhausted. You come lay down. You're just like, poof, you're in the zone. Are you guys one of the people who just sit there and you lay there for hours and try to go to sleep? No, dude, I am not like that. I am lucky. But I'm also pretty much a workaholic. Like I never stop working. We got some long, some Bitcoin. Man, guys. People think we bottomed not a whole lot down there. 111. The 111 range, we have $100 million worth of longs already stacking. No shorts though, man. The shorts are kind of shaking. They don't really want to short the whole market. Like they might have like $100 million with this whole little gap right here. Triple bottom almost. Ondo. I don't want it to fall. That would bother me. It fell to 88. 90. Still Stokes, RSI low, strengths low, red money flows leaving. Ay, ay, ay. Not looking bearish, man. The whole crypto game looked kind of bearish. I mean, not looking bullish. Eesh. I would love to see a move back up to 101. Just stay in the triangle. Holy cow, man, it's slow day, man. Slow night. Check out Ethereum. Actually, we should check out dominance. And that's why, man, the whole market's been being punished. The dominance, everything's been going back into Bitcoin. Golden cross, leg and indicator. Hopefully it takes a break. Back at 58.78. We've really only lost about 8% since up here. Oh, not even 8% up over here. The daily. This was 65. It's really, we've only lost 7%. Good news is it doesn't look like it can keep running. Looks like it's about to take a break. Oh, it kind of looks kind of bullish, man. Eef. We went up 1 more percent. VWAP, money flow, strength Stokes are going up. Flow coming in. Yeah, dude, it looks like Bitcoin dominance is going to be pumping. Shoot. The whole market's going to be bleeding tomorrow. I'm like, how many days do I have to survive in my trades? I put a long in at like 86, 85 cents on Ondo, and I've been DCAing into it as it's gone down to the 90s. Because I think it's going to go back up to $1, and I'm going to make some good chunk of change. It's like, shoot, man. Wants me to lose all my chunk of changes, too. Guys, if you haven't, it's my favorite segment. If you haven't known, we partnered up with BitFi, Blockchain Brew. You can deposit $100, get a $60 bonus. You can deposit $500 and get a $100 bonus. You can deposit $1,000 and get a $200 bonus. You can deposit $5,000 and get a $1,000 bonus. No KYC, no VPN, and you save 20% with our link in the description. And you guys, you don't have to, use Tether. You can deposit Cardano, XRP and Cardano. You could do Ethereum. You just have to have the equivalent value of $5,000, and you could trade with the full amount, or you could send your money and send it back out into your trading, not your trading account, but your cold storage, and then just trade with the bonus and have fun with it. What's up, Anthony Vince? I haven't seen you in a hot minute, man. How you all feeling about Dogecoin? Let's go take a look, man. By the way, guys, we only have 8 more subs till we're going to gate the Discord. So if you guys haven't already, you setting up your trading account, get you VIP level access to it. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. How you doing, my friend? Oof. Dogecoin's beat down to this resistant level right here. I don't think it's done either. At least it's saying not yet. I mean, we got strength. Stokes and RSI are low. VWAP just broke below the 0 line, and we have a red dot on the 4-hour. DBSI says we're going down. The candle right now on the 4-hour is just going below the 200. Dude, I feel it, man. I did the last 2 weeks. I did 14 hours Monday. And I have like an hour and a half commute, like not total, but like, I mean, in total, not one way. So I did 14 hours at work Monday, 14 hours on Tuesday, last 2 weeks, 12 hours Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And I am beat like a drumstick, man. Tired. But you do listen to a lot of Joe Rogan and music and whatever, dude. I was listening to one of Charlie Kirk's books this last week, and man, some of those books are so like old school. Like, dude, I was like trying to pull out like the knowledge out of it was so difficult. I was like, dude, it's like white noise is going into my ears. I don't even know how that guy memorized his talking points. Getting that OT, bro. Bad amount of OT, man. Too much OT. Too much. 60 hours a week, dude. 60 hours a week. Get up at 3:52 in the morning, get home at 8:30 at night. Yeah, Trent covered my ass the last couple of days. I actually only worked 10.5 hours today. So I guess I take it back. Last week was 12 for sure. Because I ran out of hours on Friday. But you want my opinion, Dogecoin, man? Well, you know, the 12-hour, it does look more bullish. The 4-hour does look pretty nasty, dude. It looks pretty nasty. I think, you know, I don't think we'll break below 20 cents. But I wouldn't be surprised if we go lower to 22.5, 22.5. I think that's on the table. But if you come over here and you look at the side, I mean, Dogecoin's not doing terrible out of everything. I mean, like, Cookies down 2.5% right now. You know, you got Fartcoin down another 2.5%. Dude, Fartcoin's down 60 cents. What the heck, bro? Dude, that's straight ass. I told everybody to stay away from this project, dude. Oh my gosh. Poor people, man. They're getting the KOLs are getting their ass beat. I have a buy at 22 cents. Thank you, babe. Buy what? Fartcoin or Dogecoin? Dogecoin? Yeah, that's a good buy. I think that's a good buy order. I want to see a little higher. So the 12-hour, it does have a green dot, so it's saying we could be a bottom. Could be. It could be a bottom. You know, I got the shoulders right there. We usually get the, you know, the second head and shoulder pattern. The daily does look bearish, so you probably will get your order filled. Here comes tomorrow or a Friday. If it's not done Friday tomorrow, then we might be able to flip this. That's what we got to hope for. 2-day closes tomorrow also. 3-day just closed. 3 days saying we still got more downwards action. Man, it sucks, dude. I wanted that trigger word to play out harder. Just didn't get it, man. 5-day. We got 2 more days to 5-day closes. You can trigger wave VWAP. The weekly still looks okay. And the monthly still looks fire too. Monthly closes also in 5 days. And we got a green dot right now, which is pretty good sign, man. That's pretty good sign. Well, trigger wave right there on the 3-hour, dude. I think we're coming down. I just don't know how far right now without saying, you know, the traditional levels are at 21. You probably could set your your buy order in at 21.5 and you'll be okay. Try to get a little bit extra if you wanted it. Rick, man, I'm beat, bro. Dude, I can't believe Fartcoin. That's crazy. I want to know if it's bundled or not. You got your phone, honey? Yeah, I was kind of curious if you'd look at the bundle on Fartcoin. Sorry, do not you. I was talking to my wife.
Not too badly bundled. It's bundled a little bit, but not too bad.
Of Altcoin.
Mhm.
Oh, okay, it's not too bad. I still feel like the KOLs have dumped it pretty bad though.
Yeah.
It's not that badly bundled. What's up, D not you? Dude, I'm wiped, man. My energy levels are sucked out of me today. It's gonna be a short stream. I can already tell you right now. I feel it in my bones. What was another popular one? SPX. Dude, I want to take a look at SPX too. Down to $1.09. Oh my gosh, it's been beat down too. Holy smokes! I'm looking at it on the weekly. Eef. I hope it flips over, turns into a green dot. I mean, it could come down to right here though, or it could stop any point from here to here probably. 81 cents. It's all good. Life gets us that time. Besides, a good time to take a break. You're right, dude. Everything's down in the market. Everything. I did close one trade out slightly positive, and I closed another one down slightly negative, but not over the positive. And diamond pattern played out over on Troll. I was like, dude, it's dumping. Diamond pattern dump. Dumpy dump. Death cross. Come at 50%. It's probably to come back down a little lower. I've been saying like the 7-cent range for a long time. Long time. Frick, man. Thank you guys for your support. I think I gotta go hit it, man. I'm so tired. What's an overview on the market? I'm not bullish. I'll say that right now. I would like to say I'm bullish. But I'm gonna be watching my trades tonight. I don't think I'll get liquidated, but yeah, you never know. Risk versus reward, right? Money flow's been going up, but strength Stokes RSI VWAP's coming down right now in the 4 hour. 1 hour still says we haven't bottomed yet. We'll probably come back down to 111, I think. Maybe not, maybe reverse, but I don't think so. All right, boys. I'll catch you later, man. I'm so tired. You guys have a good night. Catch you on the flippity flop. Thank you for the support. Lots of love. Deuces.